What if the last 3 years of investing made you more money than the first 12 years combined? No matter your age, that question matters. Whether you're 18 and just starting, 35 and feeling behind, or 55, wondering if it's too late. This video is for you. Today, I'm breaking down a simple, proven framework called the 8-4-3 rule of compounding. It explains when money really starts to grow, why most people quit too early, and how consistent investing at any age can still change your financial future. This isn't hype, it's math. I felt the frustration myself, years where the balance barely moved. It felt pointless, like nothing was working. But then something changed. And when it did, the growth didn't arrive slowly. It arrived all at once. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why patience beats timing, and how anyone can use this rule, starting today. Let's use simple, realistic numbers. Imagine investing $500 per month into a broad market index fund earning about 8% per year over the long term. That's not a guarantee. It's a historical average. No trading, no guessing, just consistency. If $500 feels like too much, remember this: the principle works at $50, $100, or any amount. Phase 1. The first 8 years. The slow phase. You invest month after month. Total contributed after 8 years, $48,000. Your portfolio grows to roughly $80,000. Your gain, about $32,000. This is where most people get discouraged. They say, "I've been doing this for years. Why doesn't it feel life-changing?" That feeling is normal. This phase isn't broken. It's foundational. Quitting here doesn't mean investing failed. It means you stopped before compounding had time to work. Phase 2. The next 4 years. The momentum phase. You keep doing the same thing. Same monthly investment. Same boring strategy. You add another $24,000 of your own money. But now, something different happens. Your money starts earning meaningful returns. By year 12, your portfolio reaches around $160,000. That's an $80,000 increase in just 4 years, more than you gained in the entire first 8. Same effort, same discipline. The only difference is time. Phase 3, the final 3 years, the acceleration phase. You invest for 3 more years. You add about $18,000 more. And this is where people are shocked. Your portfolio can grow from roughly $160,000 to $280,000 to $300,000 plus. That's $120,000 to $140,000 gained in just 36 months. More than you earned in the entire first decade combined. This is why long-term investors say wealth grows quietly, then suddenly. So what does 8-4-3 actually mean? 8. Aim for long-term growth around 8%, historical market average. 4. Commit to staying invested for at least 4 years. Short-term fear destroys long-term plans. 3. Diversify across at least 3 areas: stocks or index funds, bonds or international funds, and real estate or REITs. This isn't about getting rich fast. It's about giving time a chance to work. 3 simple ways anyone can improve their outcome. 1. Start with what you can, not what you wish you had. Starting small beats waiting forever. $50 a month started today matters more than $500 started someday. 2. Automate your investing. When it's automatic, emotions stay out of the way, especially during market ups and downs. 3. Use tax-advantaged accounts when available. Over decades, taxes can quietly erase hundreds of thousands of dollars. Accounts like retirement plans help keep more of what you earn. Even starting later in life, these advantages still compound. No matter your age, this matters. If you're young, time is your biggest advantage. If you're in the middle, consistency is your power. If you're starting later, focus and discipline can still create meaningful results. The biggest mistake isn't starting late. It's not starting at all. 3 actions you can take tonight. 1. Open an investment account. It takes minutes. 2. Set up an automatic contribution you won't miss. 3. Invest in a simple, diversified index fund. You don't need perfection. You just need to begin. Your future self, at any age, benefits from the decision you make today. If this helped you see investing differently, comment 843 below. And if you know someone who thinks it's too early or too late, share this with them. Time doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to start working. I'll see you in the next video.